The guy driving this boat is really my idol. I always wanted my own boat, but he's probably just a driver. I'll get him when I get my own boat. He looks cool. Probably speaks Spanish as well. Probably he only speaks Spanish. Yo hablo español.
There's the house of Antonio Banderas.
I don't want too much from life. I just want one of those houses behind me and a private jet. That's it.
There's the house of Jennifer Lopez.
That behind me over there is Al Capone's house. You know, the big gangster. This is the Godfather soundtrack. They got it wrong. Those mansions behind me are on sale for $27 million. As soon as I'm back in New Jersey, I'm gonna sell one of my kidneys. Hopefully I can afford one of those trees at least, or like a small spot just to sleep there, like a tent. Over there it's Will Smith's house. I like that meme. Will Smith. Yes, Will Smith. That's the most expensive mansion here for $85 million. Apparently it belongs to this doctor who invented Viagra. He deserves that. Philip Frost is his name. He apparently won the Nobel Prize. $85 million. I should invent a pill as well. My mom always told me to be a doctor. That's what they say, always listen to your mom. Palm trees were imported from South Africa and they're $9,000 each. That's Frank Sinatra's house. Behind me it's Rihanna's house. David Beckham's house.
This was the place that they used for the Bad Boys 1 and Bad Boys 2 movies. Chicos Malas 1 and Chicos Malas 2.
$85 million mansion. How can a man buy that? I really have to work harder. I love Miami. I love New York as well. I love food. Oh man, life is so good. What do you like more, my apps or the view? Guys, I hope you enjoyed our trip to Miami. And about those $20-something million mansions, don't give up, okay? If you work hard, you can achieve anything. At least what Jesus said in the Bible, you know, faith can move mountains. How hard can it be to buy a boat or a mansion, right? I don't think he was lying. Remember to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot.